This is the brief on supersymmetric geometric quantum mechanics, or SGQM. So, what is SGQM? Well, it's a unified theory from Aetheron Buscemi that asks us to imagine something kind of wild. That space-time isn't, empty. Instead, it's this living 12-dimensional geometric fabric he calls the Aetheron. Okay, first, let's get visual. Picture a simple right-angled triangle, but it's rotating in these higher dimensions. This is the core idea, right? The Aetheron theorem. One leg of that triangle looks like mass to us. The other leg looks like energy. But here's the kicker. They're not separate things at all. They're just shadows, projections from different angles of the same spinning object. Second, let's talk about spin. For a particle of matter to even exist, this geometric shape has to spin 720 degrees. That's 2 full rotations just to get back to where it started. These Aetheron knots, as they're called, are literally what locks matter into a stable existence. And finally, how do these spinning knots interact? Well, that brings us to gravity, and this is a big one. It's not a force pulling things together, no. Instead, picture a whole lattice just realigning itself. Objects are simply moving to stay in sync with this living, spinning fabric. So what's the bottom line? Fundamentally, this theory is saying that everything we see, matter, forces, it's all just the geometry of space-time itself, twisting and turning in 12 dimensions to stay in balance. So next time you look up at the stars, try to see the invisible, rotating geometry that might just be holding it all together.